Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make beef broth at home, full guide. Start by roasting bones until deeply browned, then transfer to a stock pot with cold water, add aromatics like onion and bay, bring to a slow simmer, and skim regularly. Maintain a gentle simmer to clarify the broth and extract gelatin, then strain and cool quickly. Store chilled for up to 5 days or freeze in portions for easy use. Layer aromatics to build depth without overpowering the beef flavor. Roughly chop onions, carrots, and celery and add them near the start to soften and blend. Toss in whole peppercorns, a bay leaf, and a splash of vinegar to coax minerals from the bones. Taste near the end and adjust salt, because concentrating will intensify seasoning during reduction, giving you full control over the final broth. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so more recipes can come your way. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for cozy kitchen prep and hiking after a long simmer. They pair with a mug of hot broth better than you expect. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After simmering, carefully lift bones and strain the broth into a clean pot through a fine mesh or cheesecloth to remove solids and scum. Cool quickly in an ice bath until lukewarm before refrigerating to preserve clarity and safety. Once chilled, remove the hardened fat if desired, then portion into jars or freezer-safe containers for convenient use in soups, sauces, or sipping whenever you want a nourishing boost.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.